In this video, I'm going to talk about how to access and use color chords in Affinity. So let's get started. The color panel is one of the most frequently accessed panels in Affinity. If you haven't had it right here, you can go to Window, General, and click Color. The color panel features color wheel, a switch to turn between stroke and fill colors, color picker, pick the color, HSL values, a switch between opacity and noise, recent color swatches, RGB hex value, and other features that can be accessed from the small arrow icon right here. One of the features I've just noticed is the color chords, which appear when I click on Advanced. Alright, so here are the color chords. All of these are based on the HSL color wheel. They are combinations of colors which can be used in your designs. Let's go through them one by one. First up, we've got tints. So basically, tints are colors that go from the base color all the way to white. So if I pick blue, I'm going to see how it gets lighter until it reaches white. Next is shades, and this is kind of the opposite. Shades go from the base color all the way down to black. So it's just progressively darkening that base color. Then we have tones. Tones are similar, but instead of going lighter or darker, they shift in saturation, going from the base color, which is blue, all the way to gray. It gives a more muted and settled feel. Now complementary. It's simply the base color paired with the color directly opposite on the color wheel. Now it's blue, so the opposite is yellow. If I change this to green, the opposite is pink. Then there's split complementary, which is like complementary but with a little twist. Instead of taking the exact opposite color, it takes the two colors sitting right next to that opposite. So if the base color is green, two colors next to the opposite are purple and red. Moving on to square. This one gives us four colors that are spaced out equally around the color wheel, starting from the base color. Think of it like a perfect square sitting on the wheel. So let's change the base color to purple. The square colors are red, green, and light blue. Now for Analogous. It's the base color plus the colors right next to it on the wheel. If the base color is purple, then the analogous colors are blue and pink. Next we have accented analogic. It's basically the opposite of the base color plus two colors on both sides of it. So if the base color is yellow, then the opposite color is blue. Two colors next to blue are light blue and purple. Then there's Triadic. Three colors spaced equally around the color wheel, starting from the base color. Let's move the base color to red. And now we've got blue and green. Next, Tetradic. This one uses four colors arranged in two complementary pairs around the wheel. So if the base color is red, then we've got orange, light blue, and blue. Tetradic, also known as rectangle. Now let me demonstrate how to use the colors in color chords. I'll prepare a shape here, which is a circle. It follows the base color we have here, which is red. Now I'm going to duplicate it, so I have two circles. I'm going to deselect it. Next, I'm going to change the base color to blue. I'm going to use complementary colors, which are blue and yellow. So it's gonna be one circle is blue and the other one is yellow. Now I'll select the first circle, and you'll notice the colors here are changed because it will take the color from the circle as the base color. Since the circle is red, the base color is changed to red as well. So to prevent the color chords from changing, here's what we can do. I'm going to deselect the circle. The base color goes back to blue again. I'll change it a bit. Now before applying the colors to the circles, make sure to click this little padlock icon here to lock. After that, I can select the circle. You'll see the base color in color chords are not changing anymore. So I can click blue for the first circle, select the second circle, and click to change it to yellow. And that's how to access and use color chords in Affinity. I hope this helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and bye.